Hello, so we're making a lemon drizzle cake. And first you need 2 small lemons, 275 of granulated sugar,
here,
and you will need 175 grams of butter,
here,
extra for greasing the tin.
oh, that's here.
You also need 200 grams of self-raising flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, and you also need 3 eggs. So first you need...
I've already made one. I've already grated one of these, and it's already in this bowl.
So first, to grate a lemon, you need to, you don't need to do this, but it might make it a bit better. You've got to roll the lemon, and then you don't, so of course a lemon is not cheese, so you don't use this side, but you do use the small side.
Like
So, you've got to hold it. Okay, so this is how you do it. You hold and just grate.
You don't go all the way into where the juicy bit, because that's what I did first, like this. But then my mum helped me and did it like around here, so then she could show me.
Okay, so now we've got to crack the eggs into this bowl because we don't want any shells into the big bowl. Because if there is, it will just taste crunchy and yeah. No one's a crunchy cake.
Okay, back. We're making a lemon drizzle cake up again. So Grace is going to crack 1 egg and I'm cracking 2. Because I love cracking eggs.
Okay. First you've got to first you've got to line the base of the tin over there. You can't see it, but we have. With grease-proof paper and the spares of this butter. Okay, we grated the lemon, as it says on here. Now, you've got to put 175 grams of the sugar in the mixer with the butter, flour, baking powder, eggs and lemon.
Now,
So that's about 175.
Now
Okay, now you've got to put the eggs in. Oh, that was a nice pot. Now we've got to put the flour. I think it's all the flour in. Oh, that sounded strange.
Now, the
Butter.
butter. Is that right?
Yeah, butter. Other way. Okay, now I'm going to put some baking powder in. It is half a teaspoon, as I said earlier.
There you go.
I'm going to get another teaspoon because no one wants butter in the baking powder. So I've got a teaspoon, half a teaspoon. So about that much. Okay, now we're going to close this. Okay, now we've put everything in. Oh, we've got to put the lemon zest into. As you can see, we haven't got a lot because I spilt it, but
we're making a lemon drizzle cake.
Yeah, you've said that 3 times.
This is the lemon I grated.
So it's all in.
And now we're going to put it in here and start mixing. So Gracie, what do you think?
Okay, so now we have this mixer and we are going to, we've got all the stuff in there as you can see. And now we are going to mix. We're going to put it down.
Hello.
And what temperature are we going to put it on? Which one?
We're going to do it fast. Okay, we're going to put this. So now we're going to turn it off. Now we're going to open the lid up. Press that. Okay,
Now we've got this spatula and we are going to
take this out so that you can see me.
and see both of us. Okay, so now we've done all the mixing and everything, so we're just going to tip it into the tin that we have buttered and everything.
So, the oven's at 150 degrees. 18. And we're going to...
80.
80. And I'm going to put it in the oven. And I need an oven glove because I can't go in the oven by myself. So Gracie's going to open the oven door for me. Right, what? Wow, it's so hot. That really burnt my face. It's so hot it burns your face.
And you've got to put. So I'm now putting it on for 35 minutes. It's now on 20. So I've got to keep going up. Becca, please go out the way.
Fun fact, they call me Becca.
Exactly 35 minutes.
Okay.
But actually, we're going to take all the pips out of the lemon.
I'm just licking the bowl. It's the best part of it.
Okay, get all these pips out. Even the slightest pip will make it really, really bad. Okay, so get these pips out. Okay, now I've got a pip-free lemon. Oh, no, we're going to put it in there. We're going to put it in here. So you've got to get this point, the exact middle of the lemon.
And I'm going to start pipping these pips out.
So, oh, as you can see, all this juice is coming out.
I didn't get any pips in this one. Oh, I did.
Yeah, that's why that's why you've got to check your lemon first. And you've got to jab your knife in the lemon, so then, if there is any pips, you can just go...
Please talk too much.
Now we've got the rest of the sugar, and we've got all the lemon juice. And as you can see, there's a little spout coming out of here, so we've got to pour the lemon juice in the sugar. Wow, that's a lot of lemon juice. Pour all of it out. As you can see, you mostly just see lemon juice.
Okay, so now I'm going to take the cake out of the oven because it's beeping. You have to be very careful and there has to be grown-up supervision. I nearly dropped it.
So now I've got the gloves on, and I'm going to flip the cake onto here.
Yeah, we have to be very careful about this because this might happen. Okay,
Now I'm going to flip the cake around here. Ooh, smells delicious. Now I'm going to take these off. Now we're going to poke holes in it so the lemon juice can go all the way in, and it doesn't just stay at the top. Very quickly finish it off. A couple more stabs so it gets much in there. Okay, so get all these holes.
Tastes good.
Try and not do what Rebecca's doing and taste it, because it, like, if you want to accidentally stab it again, then you don't want any of your things. So now we're going to stop this, and it says now leave for about an hour, and the circle crystallizes and goes nice and crunchy. So now I'm going to cut the cake. I've made a cup of tea for my dad. I'm going to serve a bit to my sister too,
Because I didn't want a cup of tea.
Oh, it feels crunchy.
My dad has some hot water and a lemon for his tea.
Thank you, Gracie-Mae.
Now my turn.
Do you want a big one or small one?
Small. Look how good that looks.
Can we taste it now?
Hot. Delicious.
So we have done the lemon meringue. Bye.
Very nice, lovely.
Lemon drizzle.
Oh, lemon drizzle. Bye. Is that good?